I'm going to be doing a talk at IATEFL in Edinburgh in April, and the title of the talk is Private Language Schools, When to Collaborate and When to Compete. And I think it might be quite a provocative talk. The idea behind it is that there are times when we and our fellow schools, we need to know when to work together, to collaborate, to share information that's useful, to discuss best practice and work out to improve industry standards. But there are also times when it will be to our benefit and also to the benefit of our competitors to compete. I think sometimes within ELT we are quite inward looking as an industry, but I think it would benefit us to look at other industries and how they function and the level of competition that exists elsewhere and how that helps to drive standards forward. And we need to do that to some extent, not always, but we need to analyse when it's appropriate to do that and how we can use that healthy competition to increase our own prospects, but also boost standards across the board. I think it's going to be a provocative talk, and I hope to see lots of people there.